Alright, so last video I was telling you about these Spyder Scrapers. I'd only recommend these if you were doing a small bathroom, a laundry room, or what have you. I've probably gone through about 5 or 6 of these, and at $8 a pop kind of adds up. So what happens, besides the blade wears out, which is normal, you would think, but also it broke off when I applied too much pressure to it when I was kind of leaning into it, so it kind of frustrates you that you didn't get the full use of it. Anyways, so I had to use my man card and go over here and rent me a floor buffer, but it has an attachment where it has scrapers on there, so it's making much quicker time of pulling up the adhesive off the floor. So much cooler, much better. We're trucking through it. So yeah.